Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Shopify, best e-commerce platform for your online business. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you why Shopify is the best e-commerce platform for your online business. I'm also giving you a guide on how to use Shopify and how to navigate through its different features. So let's get started. Now right now, as you can see on our screen, we are currently on our home page. This is basically where we will be able to see different notification and other important information, such as our setup guide and our setting up our online store. Now the online store that I have right now is a fresh store, so it's completely new. And as you can see, as I put down all of this option over here, you will be able to see all the other tasks as well, like the store settings and the launch your store. But basically, this is where you will be able to see all the important settings that you need to go through. And over here on the left side, this is where you will be able to find all the features. As you can see, you have your orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, and discount. Each of these features has a very key or important role in managing your online store. For example, orders. In this page, this is where you will be able to find all the different orders that you will receive on your store. This is where you will be able to see your different drafts, your abandoned checkouts, as you can see here. So if you have any of these, this is where you will be able to find them. On the products as well, of course, an online store requires a product for you to sell. And the different products that you can sell, you will be able to add it over here. As you can see here in this product page, you will be able to find products to sell, import products, or add your products. The add your products option is a more on a manual version of adding different types of product. The import product allows you to import through CSV, as you can see here, and you can simply add your file over here and you will be able to add that specific product. And you will also be able to find product to sell. By clicking this, you will be redirected to another page that would allow you to connect two platforms that will allow you to get products sourcing. Or rather, you will be able to get products from their platform and upload it on your store and start selling it through your store. You have AliExpress over here, Printify, Printful, CJ Dropshipping, Spocket, and Zendrop over here, meaning you will be able to do dropshipping and print-on-demand types of business into your store. So aside from it being an online store where you sell your own product, you could also pull off print-on-demand and dropshipping because Shopify allows you to connect through different platforms such as these. And aside from that, before we add products later on in the video, you will also be able to check out different collections. Collections of product, basically like a group of products. So let's say you could have sold a specific type of t-shirt and you will label that as got t-shirt. And you can now label that as a collection. You can also check out your inventory over here, track how much inventory your specific item has, see if a product is low in inventory or high in inventory. This is where you will be able to find it. You can also check your purchase history or purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards as well. Now, there's also option for you to record your customers. For example, you have a reoccurring customer and you would just like to put their information very quickly. You will be able to do it through the customers features over here. There's also the content over here where you will be able to have some meta objects and different files in this area. And an important part of an online store is also being able to analyze your statistics and to be able to form different strategies, do different things, and figure out what you should change on your business. You would need to see your analytics, and through this area, you will be able to see your total sales, sales by channels, online store sessions, and many more types of important statistics that would help you with your business strategy. So the way you use the information that you will be able to find here is completely up to you, of course. Now we can also check out our reports over here. Under reports, you will be able to find all the reports related to Shopify, as you can see here, and you can see the category and all of those other information. You can also check out your live views and like the current views that is actually happening live. But right now we don't have any views because we didn't really create a store yet, but you will be able to see the visitors, the total sales, total sessions, total orders, top locations, and customers, and many more. And zooming out, you will be able to actually check out maps as well. But right now, this page is a bit funky for me. But let's move on. You can also check out marketing. Marketing, this is another area where you can get statistics. So you could also check this out. And you'll be able to see some campaigns as well and automations in Shopify. Automations are very useful tools, so figure this out. Look through the different things that you will be able to do because automation will just help your life much easier. Now, in setting up your store, you simply going to click on the online store option over here on the sales channel, and you will be able to see everything related to the appearance of your store, of course, such as the theme, the blog posts that you have, the different pages that you have, the navigation and preferences over here. And the theme that we are using right now is the traditional or the default theme, which is the Shopify Dawn theme. And there's other themes as well. As you can see, there's Refresh, Craft, Sense, Origin. You can explore different themes, and a lot of them are actually free. As you can see, over 80 free and paid professionally designed themes, so you could use them. And once you select a theme, you can simply customize it if ever you want to customize and add personalized things on your website and make it more close to the website that you want. You will be able to do it over here on the editing page, as you can see. And you could simply build your website. As you can see over here on the left side, you have your header, template, and the footer. The header is this part over here, the top, that says My Store, Home, Catalog, and Contract. The template is basically this entire body of our page, and the footer is this one area over here. And so in the templates, which is the body, you could add sections, and you can see all of the sections over here. You could build your sections depending on what you would like to see on your website. For example, you would like to see a featured product, you could add that. And there we go. You will now see a featured product on your website, on the homepage. And you could change the things that you would like to edit by clicking on this option over here on the top, the home page. When you click this, you will be able to see the different options, as you can see here. And let's zoom out for now, and let's see other things as well. Aside from the creation of our website, let's refresh our page. Actually, it's a bit laggy. And aside from the creation of our website, we could click on save for now, and let's go to our homepage. So let's exit this for now. New, as you can see, new page. And aside from this, you will also be able to use apps. Now, apps is also a big point in Shopify because, as you can see, like a mobile phone, you will have different apps that you could use and play around with. Uses different features and help make your life easier. It's the same thing with the different apps that you will find in Shopify, but except this time, it's all built specifically for Shopify and helping you gain a better experience with Shopify. As you can see, you could even add TikTok, you could add some product reviews, Instagram feeds, Snapchat ads, and many more. You could build a very amazing store using your different artistic skills, your creativity with the editing of your online store, and using various different app store that could help build your store much better. And so that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.